Video 208, binary font lookup table. This is pretty simple. It's a lot of code, but it's simple. So illegal stuff right here, monkey wrench macros. We have the code for nil slots, and we have the code for spaces, ASCII spaces, in the constant section for Binfont down here. Inside of the Binfont data section is where we've added this gigantic array. So the Binfont lookup table, and we are going to pair everything together. So here is the ASCII 0 glyph, the ASCII 1 glyph, etc., etc. Most of these are going to be empty, denoted by this comment right here. Let's scroll down and show you the filled slots. Here's where our space is. Then further down, we have the 0 through 9 ASCII glyphs. Then further down, we have A through Z uppercase, and then further down we have A through Z lowercase, and then everything else is pretty much empty. So now we are in the extended ASCII. By the way, everything is partitioned in chunks of 16 here, and I just thought that would be a good chunking because there's just a lot of stuff. And this is all empty. I was thinking that you could buy one of these slots, and it'll be forever your pattern in the game. So there's exactly 512 entries in this lookup table, so we'll check here for that. And what we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. You have been on this playlist here. If you want more explanation, you can go here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. This has been video 208. Like and subscribe.